अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम मिष्टुन नाजिश है और आज हम परवरिश के प्लेटफॉर्म से आपके लिए और आपकी टीनेजर्स के लिए एक बहुत इंफॉर्मेटिव सेशन लेकर आए हैं. दिस विल गो ऑन इनटू अ मिनी सीरीज, सो वी विल हैव कपल ऑफ एपिसोड्स जो कि आपके टीन के लिए एक्सप्लेन करेंगे कि उनके स्टडी पाथ्स को चूज करना कितना ज़रूरी है, उनके लिए यू नो इंटर्नशिप करना कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है उनके लिए. बाकी ये सारी जैसे वॉलंटरी सर्विसेज हो गई, उनके हम पैशन को कैसे डिस्कस करें, कैसे डिस्कवर करें. तो दीज टॉपिक्स हम इनको कोशिश करेंगे कवर करने की इन डेप्थ. सो दीज विल हैव एपिसोड्स, और ताकि आप हम देख सकें इसको तरीके से. सो वी विल स्टार्ट. आज हमारी जो स्पीकर हैं वो हैं महविश भट्टी. She's an academic counselor and she's a lecturer also. Also, she's a career counselor with Parvarish, and she's currently pursuing MS leading to PhD in economics from IEA, and she's done her MBA in finance from IOPM. She had secured President's merit-based scholarship for maintaining more than 3.7 CGPA. And along with academics, she has many laurels in extracurriculars. Her teaching career started in 2010, and she has had the honor of teaching at prestigious universities like NED and CASBED, and she's also served at various administrative positions in O and A-level institutions. And she belongs to a long link of educationists, with her grandfather, late Abdul Ghaffar Bhatti, being a founding member and principal of Gulistan Shah Abdul Latif School. Right. And she also runs Ila Cup, a menstrual cup brand, and along with spreading awareness for menstrual and feminine hygiene, she provides free products for underprivileged. All right. So we will now invite her. Assalamu alaikum, Mavish.
Walaikum assalam, Ishroon.
How are you doing?
I'm good, alhamdulillah. How about you?
I'm good as well. So हमने आपका इंट्रोडक्शन दे दिया और हमने ये भी बता दिया कि आप परवरिश के साथ जो हैं वो एज अ करियर काउंसलर हैं. So it gives me immense joy to have someone such as you on board, who's always
Thank
willing to
you so
help
much.
the parents and our youngsters with very informed decisions and very informed advices as well. So हम आज अपना जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो ये है कि how to choose the right study path, right, for your teen. तो ये जो टॉपिक है ये आई थिंक फॉर टीनेजर्स भी है और ये फॉर पेरेंट्स भी है,
Yes.
दोनों बैठ के देख सकते हैं. करेक्ट. तो
Even for adults,
Yes.
even for adult learners.
बिल्कुल, एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली. ठीक है जी. तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने पहले सवाल से कि Mavish, at what age should we encourage our kids to think about their future study path?
Okay, so this there is no hard and fast rule about the study paths and the age per se, but we should always be encouraging our child to explore their interests, and that has to be developed from a very very early age. Most of the time हम लोग वैसे most of the time नहीं, always, especially हमारी generation के साथ जो है ये थोड़ा सा मिसहैप हुआ कि हमारी क्यूरियोसिटी को खत्म कर दिया गया. We were made to believe in conformity. We were made to believe that this is a path chalked out and this is what we have to follow. There is nothing in black and white, and we must always understand कि अगर हम लोग अपने बच्चों को क्यूरियोसिटी या इंक्विजिटिवनेस और इस तरीके की चीजों से दूर हटाते जाएंगे, then we are ensuring that they will grow up as boring adults who would be frustrated, who would have to maybe suffer from depression and various problems later on. If your son is saying, I want a pink colored pencil, then instead of saying, no, pink is not for you, go for a blue one, say, okay, but why pink? You need to see what was in their mind and build upon it. It's not necessary that they are going for pink because we believe it's a feminine choice. They probably might have seen a pink slogan, a pink logo, or maybe someone wearing a pink blazer which attracted them so much that they wanted to own a little piece of pink and commemorate that. So you need to, all of us need to encourage our children to be independent thinkers. and that is how they can choose the appropriate career paths. So I believe कि वो आपसे जब भी
Okay.
So instead of telling them that this is how it should be, deciding an age, this is not the conversation where you can actually sit with them and decide about it. No, हमें हमेशा ही उनको encourage करना चाहिए कि उनके दिमाग में क्या है वो अपने ideas को explore करते रहें. And you might actually be surprised that they may come with a very unique field, a very unique career option, which you, I, or maybe nobody else has ever thought of, and that can only be possible if we allow them to be independent thinkers. So जब भी वो कोई सवाल पूछे, instead of giving them your answer, instead of telling what we know, we should ask them what they know about the topic and maybe build up from there. um, and that is actually true because जो हम लोग relevant case studies वगैरह भी पढ़ रहे होते हैं उसमें they don't ever tell कि अपने बच्चे को ये बताओ कि वो ये करे, वो like to do. And trust me, there is nothing in the world कि जिससे आप पैसे ना कमा सको. You can earn money in 100,000 different ways, especially now given the age of social media, which was probably not even possible few years back. But now you have so many avenues. Okay, I don't think we should be forcing our children into conformity. We should never be pushing our children into anything.
Excellent.
So yeah.
Acha, this then brings on to the question, how do we as parents and teachers help them develop their skills and interests? हम ये कैसे करें? And from a very young age, and how soon should we start this?
Okay, so इसमें दो बातें हैं. The first one is कि we need to expose them. We need to expose them to a variety of situations and circumstances जहाँ पे उनकी different sort of abilities will be tested. Like suppose you take them to the beach and you allow them to do what they want to do, maybe play with sand, build castles, maybe explore the contents of sand itself, like maybe collect seashells, etc. So you allow them and you let them develop on their own whatever abilities, whatever potentials they think might interest them, firstly. Secondly, when you notice that a particular child is interested in, maybe let's say a particular child is very good with motor skills, or a particular child is very artistic, a particular child is very good at storytelling, a particular child is a very good listener, a particular child is very good when it comes to mental math, then you allow them to build up and brush those skills. But at the same time, do not let them think that other skills are not important. Let them keep on working on all the skills. Don't push them for excellence. Don't push them for results. Just push them to be wholesome, push them to be satisfied, push them to be engaged, and push them to learn and be creative and be happy with whatever they are doing. So if they are happy, even with the little bits and the smaller accomplishments, it's going to go a very long way. Then you push them for instantaneous results, which they might get, but it is not going to make them that wholesome or that satisfied later on in their lives. So हमें ये चाहिए कि उनको हम स्टडी करें, उनको हर किस्म की अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रोवाइड करें, और obviously after that, once they attain a certain age, we can introduce them to ideas like personality tests कि उनके लिए कौन सी पर्सनालिटी बेहतर है. बट ट्रस्ट मी इशरून, जो हमारे पर्सनालिटी टेस्ट वगैरह होते हैं, लाइक you have the most important is Myers Big Five personality test, right? So those personality tests are not discrete. It's a continuous thing. It's a spectrum. A person can be falling in any part of that spectrum, and a person can actually be changing based on different situations. For instance, if this is a one-on-one conversation, I am probably very extrovert and I am really comfortable in speaking and sharing out my ideas. But suppose if it was a large crowd, I might not be that comfortable because I might feel judged. I might feel that I don't know the people. So human variable is most unpredictable. So if you think कि भाई मैंने अपने बच्चे को समझ लिया पूरी तरह and I can fit him in the box, that is the day that you're killing their inner creativity, you're killing parts of their personality, which might actually boom and bloom. तो ऐसा हमें नहीं करना चाहिए, but we should give them as many possible opportunities. आप स्विमिंग से डरते हैं, आप उनको स्विमिंग करने दें, भले वो 2-3 बार डूबे, थोड़ा सा पानी सांस में जाए, आप डरे, आप दिल का थाम के बैठे, but they are going to learn the experiences and the lessons which you and I can't teach them. Skating, allow them to skate, allow them to witness these activities. So provide them with as many opportunities as you possibly can. And from then, I think they are going to develop and they are going to learn and be independent thinkers. And then they will be better at deciding for themselves.